Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Cats I'll Create and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a project share. I am in Deanna's Facebook group. Deanna is, oh my goodness, Crafty Crafts by Deanna. I'm not too sure if it's her YouTube channel or it's also her Facebook channel. I do apologize, Deanna. I am at a total loss right now. So I just wanted to show I joined her swap for the ornament this month. I haven't had a chance to join her other swaps, and I thought this one was an awesome one. It is an ornament swap, so we were supposed to either create store-bought a ornament. So my partner is, oh my goodness, Terri. Oh my gosh, right now I apologize. I will enter her name on here somewhere, so you guys could go over and check her out here on YouTube. I do apologize. Right now my head is not where it's supposed to be at, but I wanted to do this video before I send out my items to her. So I did tell her I wasn't gonna be doing a store-bought item. I was gonna create something for her, you know, with an ornament. Anyways, so she said she was doing an angel tree which had white and silver. She was doing an ocean tree which had teal colors, and then she was also doing a train tree for her husband. I wish I could see pictures of these, Terri. I would really love to see pictures. So anyways, let me show you what I created. I created 2 ornaments for her. I will also put some extra stuff in her package. I'm not going to show that extra stuff so she could be surprised, but I just wanted to so I ended up creating this right here. Maybe I should just take this out all the way. Sorry you guys. I created this ornament. So this is a butterfly die right here, and I went ahead and turned it around to make it into angel wings. And I had this doodle bug. Yeah, doodle bug. Is it doodle bug? Polka doodles. I'm sorry. I tell you guys, I'm really out of it. This polka doodles digital prints that I got, and I went ahead and printed some, and I thought this came out so cute. I put some of these flowers here. This right here is actually a die cut right here that I got on a destash that Monty had, and oh my gosh, Monty, I love it. Oh my gosh, I just love it. This was on my wish list for the longest time. I had been stalking eBay for this die. A lot of people are selling just the cut aparts and not the die, so I was like so excited when Monty had it on one of her destashes, and oh my goodness, I had to contact her right away. And thank you, Monty, thank you for helping me out and working with me. So anyways, I put these flowers, these leaves right here. I put a little bit of a mint color because I wanted something to come out of it and make it look beautiful. I know she had said silver and whites, but I don't know, I just felt it needed a little bit more color. That was my own personal thought. If I could have seen her tree, I probably would have known exactly a little bit more. And I put this lace, I made this lace bow right here with the pearl right here. I did stickled the crown and some of the items right here. This is actually a gold, or not a gold, a white glittery cardstock that I had from Recollections. I think I got this on a hot buy from Michael's. And yeah, there you go, that's one. And then the next one, I made this one right here, and again I used the same die cut. I went ahead and used foam right here, and then I just layered it so it's not that heavy. And then I had a oh my gosh, a snowflake, a wooden snowflake. I went ahead and colored it and put some pearls right here, some flat pearls right there. I went ahead and did the stickle on this one too, and then I put some what is this, a tinsel wreath thing that I had. I put it on the backing, and then I made this cute little bow, and I made this one a little more simpler, so I hope she does like these. So anyways, I will link her channel, her YouTube channel, down on the description below, so you guys could go over, check her out. And I would also gonna link Deanna's Facebook group and her YouTube channel down on the description below, so you guys could go over, check them out. And thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.